Good morning, children. Welcome back to English virtual class. Take out your English practice book. Today we will continue with the chapter verbs. Now let's quick recap. Let's revise it. Okay, what you had done quickly. Transitive verb. Transitive verbs are the actions that have an object to receive that action. We get the answer of what and whom. In the previous video, I gave you the examples. Transitive verbs, they require object. But in transitive verbs are the actions that do not have an object to receive the action. Means in transitive verbs, they don't require the object. Now, in this video, we will do the exercise related to helping verbs also. So I am giving you the introduction of helping verbs. Let's see. Helping verb is a verb that helps another verb in a sentence. The helping verb always comes before the main verb. Helping verbs are used before verbs that end in ed or ing, like going, eating, means, or that end with the ed. Words is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, does, etc. are the helping verbs. For example, Ram is going to school. Now here, going is a main verb and is a helping verb. Next is he will go to the circus in the evening. Here, go is a verb and will is a helping verb. So, helping verb comes before the main verb. Going is a main verb, so is the helping verb. So, it is coming before the main verb. It helps the verb to complete it. Without helping verb, the sentence is not complete. Like this, Ram going to school. It's not a complete. So we have to add Ram is going to school. So helping verb helps the main verb to complete the sentence or to make the sentence meaningful. Now, where we use all these, it's for your help. When you will do the exercise, it will help you. So you just go through this table. Here, I is used for the present tense. I am, I have, I do. For past, I did, I was, I had, and for future, I shall. Same is here with he, she, it, or the singular. In present, we use he is, he does, he has, and for past, we use did, was, had, and for future, we use will. Next is you, they, or the any plural, like the boys, the girls, people. Then we use do, are, or have. And for past tense, we use did, were, have, and future will. With we use do, are, have, and did, were, had, and shall. Now that table will help you to do this exercise. So you should go through that table carefully. Let's do the worksheet 3. Complete the following sentences by selecting a word from the aid box given below. The first one is done for you. Very interesting and very easy also. Ramu eats very often. So Ramu eats very often. It is the example for you, and you know there is no object in this. There is no object, so it means this is intransitive verb. My mother dash well. Can you guess what your mother? Yes, cooks well. Very good. Again, there is no object, so it's the intransitive verb. Vineet dash the movie. Yes, enjoyed the movie. She has dash to school. You are using this word also. She has gone to school. Her father dash in a factory, works in a factory. The girls dash loudly. Yes, shouted. I usually dash late. Yes, sleep. But you should not sleep late. I dash to dance. Yes, love to dance. They dash her song. They heard her song. Shruti dash for a walk every morning. Goes. Because Shruti is singular, they is plural, and you just see the words they are ending with ed or the simple verb is there. So the all, and they are not required, they don't require the object. There is no object in these sentences. So these are the intransitive verbs. Now is worksheet 4. Read the following lines from a poem by W.B. Yeats. The treetops rustle, the treetops wave, they hustle, they bustle, and down in a cave. The winds are murmuring, ready to rave, the skies are dimming, the birds fly low. Now pick out any 5 sentences or phrases that have an action word from the lines given above. Also write T for transitive and I for intransitive verbs in the boxes provided. Children, you just see the sentences which are the action word. The tree top rustle. Rustle is the action word. The tree tops wave. Wave is the action word. They hustle. They bustle. Again, they are the hustle is also the action word and bustle is also. And down in a cave. And here down is a verb. The winds are murmuring. Murmuring is the action word. Ready to rave. Rave is also the, sorry, ready. Ready is also the action word. The skies are dimming. Dimming is also the action word. The birds fly low. The fly is also the action word. Now you have to write the 5 sentences. Any 5 sentences you can write where the action word is there, and we have seen that all sentences are having the action word. Like first, the tree tops wave, we are writing this, and tree tops wave, it's a complete sentence, no object is required, it means it is the intransitive verb. The next is the winds are murmuring, again no object is required, so it's a intransitive verb. The birds fly low. Again, it's a complete sentence. No object is required, so it's an intransitive verb. The skies are dimming. Again, no object is required, so it's an intransitive verb. The tree tops rustle. Yes, again, it's a complete and it's an intransitive verb. So these are the intransitive verb. Now is a helping hand. Helping hand means which helps the other. So I have told you in the beginning only where you have to use what helping verb. My parents. Parents, it means it's a plural. With plural we use is or are. My parents dash going to a party. So what will be the word? Helping verb? Are. Very good. My sister. Sister is singular. One. With one we use does not like dogs. I daily you are using this. I dash my done my work. Every time when you are in the school you used to say I have. The children, again children, it's we are not talking about one, it's more than one, plural is there, so with plural we don't use was, we use were. The children were making a noise. My mother, now it's singular, with singular we use has. My mother has purchased a sitar. My brother, again singular, will not use what you will use was or were. My brother dash playing hockey was singular. My father again is singular, one is there, so we are talking about one, so it is. My father is going on a world tour. The words you have filled in the blanks are also verbs. Like you have filled are, does, have, were, has, was, is. They are also the verbs, but they help another verb to complete its meaning. They are helping verbs or auxiliary verb. Like are is helping going. My parents are going to a party. If I say my parents going to a party, it's not a complete sentence. My sister not like dogs. So if I say not like, no, it's not complete. So does. So these are the helping verbs and they help the other main verb to complete the meaning, sentence and make it meaningful. Now children, your homework is complete worksheet 1 to 5 and learn. You have to learn all these. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.